How to schedule meetings in Zoho Mail. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your Zoho Mail account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to schedule a meeting, you can go to the Zoho Meetings. In order to access the Zoho Meetings, here in the top right corner, you can see this app section. Click on it. Now scroll down, and in this email and collaboration section, you can see this Meetings app. Click on it. It will prompt you to the Zoho Meeting website. You will still be logged in with your Zoho Mail account, so you can simply schedule a meeting from here. Here you can see in the meeting section schedule button. Click on this. You can give a title for your meeting. You can select the meeting type, whether it be video conferencing or the audio conferencing. You can select the date, the time, the duration of the meeting, select the time zone, select the host of this meeting. You can add participants to your meeting. You can search for the email address from here. Once you configure everything, you can click on this schedule button in the bottom. And there you go, the meeting has been scheduled. You can now copy this link and share this link with anyone who you want to join the meeting. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.